So you have to do this if you are thinking about connecting your AirPods to your smart TV. In my case here, I'm making use of the Samsung TV TU8000 series. And here I have my AirPods Pro. All I have to do right now is just go ahead, grab the remote and hit the home button, go all the way to settings, go up all the way here that says sound output. I have to go up and this option comes up, and all I have to do right now is to click on Bluetooth speaker list. And once I'm here, you need to do this. Grab your AirPods. Behind the back of your AirPod, there is this button here. So I have to make sure it's open. And okay, as you can see, it's already showing there. But in case yours doesn't show, make sure you long press the button behind it. So right now, I just have to go down to pair and connect. Yes. And give it. So as you can see, the AirPods Pro is connected, and it also has the I can control the volume using my remote. So I just have to click on OK, and right now it's connected. If yours is not connected, you have to make sure it's connected. It might be disconnected like this, but it's still paired. But all you have to do is to go down, connect it. And right now it's connected. So once I go to my settings, home, back to settings, you can see that from here now, my AirPods Pro can be used as a sound output. So guys, if you really find this video helpful, you can go ahead and give the video a like, drop a subscribe, drop a comment, and peace out.